Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Aphmau. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the bottom and let's draw the shape of the eyes. Let's start with two wavy lines out, leaving a gap in the center. Now from the center, let's curve it down and back up on each side. Then let's curve it down. Bring it up. And one more curve to close off the ends of the eyes. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a large oval. And then a circle near the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and let's add the mouth. In the center, let's draw two curves out. And now that we're done the face, let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left here and let's draw a large curve down and up to the other side. And now at the top, let's draw two curves up and in. Then from the left, let's curve it up. And a long curve back down in between the eyes. And then one more curve down to close off the bangs. Next, we're going to hop to the top and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. Then on each side, let's draw a curve up and out. And curve it back down. Now from each end, let's draw a long curve down and in for the hair. And then curve it back up at the bottom. Now let's hop back to the top, and inside the ears, let's add a curve near the bottom here. And then two curves up, meeting at a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop out and let's draw the wings. On each side of the head, let's bring it out and curve it back in. Then a curve down underneath. Step in again and let's curve it all the way back up to the head. And then inside at the bottom, let's draw a swirl up like this. And that's it for Aphmau. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!